What's up, guys? It's your boy Joe Reaction. I told you I was staying on top of my A game since we hit over 100 subscribers, man. I was always on my A game, but I'm on my A game even more. And if y'all tired of me saying we hit over 100 subscribers, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button if you new. Share this video to everybody you know. And then I will stop saying we hit over 100 subscribers, and I'll start saying we hit over 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 1,000 subscribers. Okay? Good. I'm not going to talk too much, so make sure y'all do all that good stuff that I just said. I got a lot of reactions out right now. I did the Jeff Frost Savage Moments reaction. Check that out. I did a reaction to the second trailer for Captain Marvel that came out today. And I just did a reaction that's uploaded that was fun, that was fun and amusing as hell. And it's called Songs That Get White People Turned, Part 1. So y'all comment down below if y'all want to see me react to Part 2 or however many parts there are. Alright? But today, we got the most recent Dobrik vlog that just dropped. I just got a notification about it, and I came straight here to y'all because I love y'all like that. Y'all the Mojo Squad. Y'all know y'all get the fresh new content, you hear me? And this one is titled Surprising Assistant with Brand New Car. Yes, my girl, Natalie, is getting a brand new car, and you already know it's from SeatGeek, so y'all really make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man, so we can get sponsored by SeatGeek. And you never know. One of y'all might get surprised with a car. But go make sure y'all go do all that, man. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Oh shit, put on these 3D glasses.
You gotta sit on the couch and put these 3D glasses on?
Yeah, I'll be on there with the presentation.
Okay, all of our glasses are on. Hit it.
Alan Search Digital Productions presents Silly String.
Fuck! Alex, this is a $3,000 fucking jacket. What are you doing?
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here with Tana. You may know her from possibly having sex with her, or you may know her from YouTube. Where do people know you more from?
Probably the same.
Yeah. Today we're surprising Ashley and Lola for their Sweet 16. I hope you're excited to see us. We should catch up. Tana, how have you been?
I've been alright. I've been pretty good.
What have you been up to?
Everything, David. I don't know.
Really?
Life, making YouTube videos.
It's amazing. Stop staring at my lips.
I wasn't.
Let's go. Trisha, have you ever had Five Guys?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
You've eaten there?
They be in here.
Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! That's my assistant Natalie. Coincidentally, she's also my childhood friend and former next door neighbor. But now she works for me.
Ew, oh my god! What is that? Oh my god, damn it! Oh my god!
Today is Natalie's birthday, so I decided to get her something nice. What's up, guys? So SeatGeek is an amazing app that helps you buy tickets in literally the easiest way possible. You've seen them help me surprise my friends with brand new cars.
Take them.
Kidding?
Take them.
Which one?
So today, SeatGeek is going to help me surprise Natalie with a brand new car. Please, if you ever need to buy tickets to literally anything, click the link in my description, use a promo code David, and you'll get $20 off your first purchase. So today we have two things on the agenda. Surprise Natalie with a new car and do the live show. There are a lot of people out there, Scott. Holy cow, look at that. You ready for this? It's a big moment.
Yeah.
All right, break a leg out there, buddy.
Fuck you, David.
Okay. Bye, Scott. We have a live show. We're all going to it. We're all going to cram into two cars.
We're gonna miss it if you don't fucking explain this.
Okay, we'll take Natalie's car, and then we can take Natalie's second car too.
Don't do that. I'm gonna cry. Don't.
Happy birthday, Natalie. Natalie was so mad I was ignoring her all birthday.
You're like the worst best friend ever. I can't breathe. David, why? Oh my god, David. What the fuck? I don't feel like this is mine because I feel like you wouldn't do something this nice. Everybody's like staring at me.
I told everyone, I'm like, she's not gonna talk. She doesn't say anything ever.
I can't breathe.
Were you mad that I didn't do anything for your birthday? I didn't say anything?
I was just mad that I thought you didn't know it was my birthday. Now I like feel really bad because I've been like, fuck David. Thank you.
Is this gonna make you work harder or less?
Ask Natalie what she just said.
What? What did she just say?
She goes, I quit.
Fucking mask off. Mask off. Fucking mask off. Fucking cup. Yeah, that's what I've been sipping. Ooh, ooh, got your bitch shaking. You know she fucking stripping. Ooh,